This is the brief on Apple adopting RCS. With iOS 18, Apple is finally modernizing cross-platform texting between iPhones and Androids by adopting the RCS standard, moving us away from outdated SMS fallbacks that honestly felt kind of like using a digital fax machine in the modern smartphone era. First, let's look at the tech upgrade. RCS is already widely used on Android, and it brings high-resolution photo and video sharing, typing indicators, read receipts, and way better group chats to text with non-iPhone users. So does this mean the legendary war between iOS and Android is finally over? Second, well, not exactly, because the ecosystem divide is absolutely still there. Apple isn't fully merging these worlds. iMessage remains totally distinct with its end-to-end encryption, deep FaceTime integration, and of course, those iconic blue bubbles. RCS chats are still going to be green bubbles, and they might even lack full encryption depending on your carrier. Think of it like a club. Apple is finally renovating the public lobby for everyone, but they're keeping that VIP lounge totally exclusive. Finally, we've got to talk about the motive and the social impact. Apple is basically aligning with global regulatory pressure and huge user demands for open communication standards. Culturally, closing this performance gap could start to shrink that massive green bubble versus blue bubble stigma we have here in the US, especially for younger users. But will fixing the tech actually erase the social stigma, or is the green bubble itself just too deeply hardwired into American digital culture? Ultimately, Apple is smartly bowing to global regulators by adopting open standards without ever actually surrendering its proprietary ecosystem.